Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned GLE 43 AMG Coupe. This one's black. Underneath it is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo with 385 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. This one has adaptive high beam assist, 21-inch AMG 5-spoke with black accent wheels, bi-turbo 4MATIC badging, black interior, panorama sunroof, a black lacquer trim, rear spoiler, AMG GLE 43 badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, premium 3 package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, multi-contour massage seats, AMG illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for our media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, heat and cooled cup holders, dynamic select for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This GLE 43 AMG Coupe has 42,242 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 43 AMG Coupe, check out feldmanimports.com.